Welcome to Devi's English. Let me explain you preposition. A preposition is a word which is placed before a noun or pronoun and other part of the sentence. Example, I sat on a wall. She came into my room. He jumped upon the horse. In these three sentences, on, into, upon indicating position of the nouns. Kinds of prepositions: simple preposition, compound preposition, phrasal preposition, participle preposition, appropriate preposition. Simple prepositions are like on, off, yet, in, to, by, up, for, from, with, under, since, etc. So these prepositions are called simple prepositions. Children go to school every morning. In this sentence, to tells about other part of the sentence, position. So to is here preposition. Water flows under the bridge. In this sentence, under tells about the position of the water which is related to the bridge. So under is here simple preposition. We are waiting for the train. Here also the train position tells us for. So for is simple preposition. Compound preposition: when two words are combined and form a new word and it's used as a preposition before a noun or pronoun, it is called compound preposition. Example, before, beside, upon, within, behind, into, along, inside. In these prepositions, we are combining two words. So then these prepositions are called compound prepositions. And now phrasal preposition. When a phrase means a group of words, is used before a noun or pronoun to show its relation with the other words, it is a phrasal preposition. Example, there is a beautiful garden in front of the school. In this sentence, the school noun before one phrase in front of we are using there. So in front of is here phrasal preposition. The secretary attended the meeting on behalf of the chairman. In this sentence, the chairman is a noun. In before that, on behalf we are using as phrase, so that it is phrasal preposition. Participle preposition. Participle means ing form word. So sometimes a participle ing form is used as a preposition, then it is called a participle preposition. Example, according to the law. In this sentence, according here participle preposition. In before that, what is that? Noun before we are using, according, so that it is participle preposition. Owing to laziness, noun, owing to participle preposition. So noun before owing to, this is participle preposition. Appropriate preposition. Certain nouns, adjectives and verbs in English always take a preposition after them. Such a preposition is called an appropriate preposition. For example, students are listening to my lesson. In this sentence, to is simple preposition, but listening after we should use to. So it is giving appropriate meaning. So these type of prepositions are called appropriate prepositions. The old man died of cancer. In this sentence, of is simple preposition, but we should use always died after of. So these prepositions are called appropriate prepositions.